चौथी वर्सुकी रेन फॉरेस्ट चॅलेंज ऑफ रोड मोटर सर्तीत देशभरातल्यान 40 टीमी आयल्यात। सर्तीत गोयचे 3 सर्तक आसात। ही RFC इंडिया सर्त आयतारा दोनापावला सुरू जातली। 24 ते 28 मेरेन सर्त दक्षिण गोयच्या दोंगराळ वाठारांनी जातली। 29 आनी 30 तारखेर दोनापावल वाठारात निमाण्यो स्पेशल स्टेजी जातल्यो। सर्त जिखतल्यांक मलेशियात RFC सर्तीत एंट्री मेळटली।
जगांतले टॉप 10 थरारक ऑफ रोड सर्तींतली एक म्हणून रेन फॉरेस्ट चॅलेंज ऑफ मलेशियाचे नाव आसा। RFC इंडिया सुरू करून आता 3 वर्सां जाल्या। अंदू चौथे सर्तीक बऱ्यापैकी रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा अशें आयोजकांनी पत्रकार बसकेंत सांगलें।
In the first 2 years, we had 22 teams. Last year, we had 30, and this year, 40. So it's only growing and growing the way we want to. Also made some changes in the event format, just to keep it fresh, just to make it more interesting for participants. Earlier, if you remember, we used to start with the spectator stages right here across at the IT park for the first 2 days, and then we used to move into the jungles and into the campsites, where the competition used to become more intense. This year we reversed the format and we will move away from here straight after the flag off tomorrow. We will go and compete in the jungles and come back here to do the last 2 special stages and decide the champion in front of you.
I've been participating for last 3 seasons of RFC. In terms of difficulties, yes, every year it has been difficult and the stages have been impossible at times. So as a goal, yes, and this year they have been planning to support a lot. Let's see what happens. They said they are coming with a convoy on the first day. I expect a lot of support, and we are 3 at the moment. Before I used to be alone.
बागा कळंगुटेत दार्जिलिंगच्या एका तरणाट्याचो खून जाला। मेलेता राकेश रायाक खंयसुऱ्यान तोपला। ताका क्रिटिकल कंडिशनात GMCत व्हेल्लो थंय तो सोंपलो। कळंगुट पुलिसांनी नागपूरच्या संतोष चट्टा राख्या केशीन अटक केल्या। राकेश ताच्या इश्टाबरोबर दर्यावेळेर पिवंक बशिल्लो। थंयच ताचो वाद जालो आनी प्रकरण मारामारी आनी खुनाचेर पडलें म्हूण कळंगुट पुलीस सांगतात।
He, along with his 4 other friends, they were sitting behind Baga Deck on the Kalangut beach and they were having drinks. It was an off day for all of them, so they were all sitting together enjoying themselves. And in between Rakesh, that is the victim, and the accused, that is Santosh, who is 25 years of age, they had a tiff. They had some arguments about their past because they were friends for quite some time. They had worked together also in a particular shack. But now this fellow, the victim, started working at Geo's Fast Food in Candolim, and Santosh was working at Shine in Sand shacks at Baga. So the argument got heated. The other friends tried to pacify, but it could not be pacified, and the accused took out a knife and he gave stab injuries to his friend Rakesh. So once he got the stab injuries, there were several people also on the beach. So slight hue and cry was created, and owner of a shack called Little India, owner of a shack, he basically took the victim to the nearest hospital, wherein he survived throughout the night, but in the morning the information was received from GMC that he could not survive the assault. The accused, in fact, after committing the murder, he himself made a call to the control room also, saying that he has committed a murder and he is going to the police station. So when the police station got this message regarding this crime at Kalangut, we did not take any chances, and the police team was immediately dispatched, and the accused was arrested from Dolphin Circle. He was apprehended there. He was on his way, but he was apprehended at.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।